Okay, we're back over here on the head. So here's that guide. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the head and see what it feels like. Make sure you put it on the right spot. It's an intake. A little bit of press fit lube on here so it'll go in easier. Okay, it went in pretty good. That was the exhaust fit, nice and tight, so for an intake that's not really good. So if I do the same thing on the exhaust, it'll be the same fit hopefully. So this was about a half to 3/4 of a thou oversized guide basically. And so now it's in there like it's supposed to be. So all I can do is make sure everything fits on this other side when I get all installed and figure out the valve lift and everything. Right now the guide is taller than stock, which is good, gives you more support on the valve stem. So it should live longer as long as you got clearance for it. So I measured stuff before, it should be pretty good. I think we'll be alright with a seal on top of it the way it is, but we'll see. So for now that's what it is. Now I gotta go make another intake guide, put that one in, and I gotta make 2 exhaust guides. So it'll be the same process, but just different guides. So I'll go ahead and show you when I'm getting it all done. Okay, this is the second intake guide. So this one here looks pretty nice. Now this one's actually 2 thou smaller than the other one because this head's different. So these heads aren't made real even, I guess. They made whatever they had to make it work, I guess. Quality control is not what it used to be in the old days. Alright, so let's see how tight this one goes in. A bit tighter than the other one, but pretty good. So I'm good with that. If the exhaust going that good, we'd be good. So that's the second intake. Get where you can see it in there. So fits down in the hole just like the other one did. So 2 down, 2 to go. Okay, it's the last exhaust guide. Already did the other one. This one here is the worst one. When this guide came out, you can see how it tore aluminum out as it came out and had a lot of carbon around it. It's very out of round and uneven. So I pretty much guessed on what I needed. So this here is the guide. This is the biggest one yet. So let's see how it goes in. It should either go in pretty darn tight or just tight. Definitely should not be loose. So we'll find out. Went in pretty tight. That's good. So now we got all the guides in. So now I go ahead and hone the guides out for the valves. So I gotta check all these out, and looks like they made all the back cuts like I want them done. So we'll check them, see how square they are in the valve grinder, and get them ready to hone the guides to fit. So the valve guides are made at this point. Now it's time to just do the fitting. So we'll get back to that in a little while.